Greetings and welcome to the Zendesk tutorial tailored for newcomers. Today, I'll guide you through the fundamentals of starting Zendesk as a beginner, showcasing how you can harness it for effective online customer service for your business. Let's dive in. The initial step is straightforward. Go to our link and navigate to Zendesk.com. Zendesk stands as one of the most renowned customer service platforms, empowering you to deliver top-notch customer support. It offers a rich array of options and tools essential for establishing your online customer service presence. If you don't have an account with Zendesk, your first order of business is signing up. Let's go ahead and do that. You can click on the free trial option, which will enable you to access a free trial by providing your email address. Following this, you'll set your password. Once this is done, you can gain access to your personalized dashboard. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Zendesk provides an intuitive and user-friendly dashboard, ideal for beginners. It's designed for easy navigation. And here's what to expect as a newcomer. Here's the insights. This section offers an overview of your account's current status. As a beginner, you won't have created any tickets or generated statistics initially, but this section provides a glimpse of what your ticket statistics will look like once you're fully operational. Creating support tickets. Zendesk's core function is to manage customer inquiries, issues, and requests by creating tickets. Here's a step-by-step guide on ticket creation. You'll go ahead and add a user. Every ticket should be associated with a user, whether it's an end user or a staff member. To create a new user, visit the user section and select Add. Input their name, email address, and specify their role, either end user or staff member. You can click on Add to complete the process. Requester. Determine the intended recipient of the ticket. In this context, it's the end user seeking assistance, so we'll go ahead. Assignee. Identify a staff member from your team who will be responsible for addressing this request. To add a new staff member, visit your profile. Followers. Optionally, you can include agents who need to monitor the ticket's progress, facilitating team collaboration. Tags. Enhance ticket organization by adding descriptive tags. For instance, you can utilize tags like urgent or important to prioritize issues. Subject. Provide a clear and concise subject for the ticket to ensure quick issue identification. Description. Elaborate on the issue or request in detail, ensuring clarity in communication. Public reply. This feature allows you to respond to the user publicly or provide a private reply, offering flexibility in communication. Links. Occasionally, personalized links may need to be sent to users. Though there aren't any links in this example, this feature is valuable for delivering unique solutions. Upon entering all the necessary information, click Submit as New. This action saves the ticket and a response will be sent to the user. The ticket will appear in your unsolved tickets list. You can mark it as solved once the issue is resolved and take further actions for management. Zendesk allows you for the categorization of users and organizations, streamlining customer service. Organizations. Adding a new organization is especially helpful if you're working with a team and providing customer service on behalf of a group or business. You can input the organization's name and its associated domain. This feature simplifies managing multiple users and their requests within a structured framework. These fields within organizations serve to further refine your customer service approach. By creating and managing these groups, you can efficiently allocate requests and provide a more focused and organized customer support experience. Effective customer service relies heavily on insightful data, and Zendesk offers robust reporting tools. The Zendesk platform provides a wealth of reporting options, including Zendesk Support, Zendesk Guide, Talk, and chat features. Talk Live. This feature is particularly beneficial for those engaged in telephone customer support. It provides real-time insights into your current queue activities, including callbacks in queue, total calls in queue, and the average time per call. These statistics are invaluable for optimizing your customer service operation. Managing customer communication. When it comes to reaching out to specific customers through calls or messages, you can easily access your customer list. This functionally simplifies the process of contacting customers, accessing their details, and addressing their needs. Zendesk settings and integration. As you dive deeper into Zendesk, you can explore additional settings and integrations. This is where you can truly customize your Zendesk experience and tailor it to the unique requirements of your business. The integration of various applications can significantly enhance your customer service capabilities, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience for both you and the customers. Zendesk serves as an all-in-one customer service platform, making it an excellent choice for your customer support needs. As a complete beginner, you'll find Zendesk remarkably user-friendly, and now you possess the knowledge to utilize it effectively. Armed with this information, you can make an informed decision regarding whether Zendesk is the right platform for your specific business requirements. And with that, we wrap our Zendesk tutorial. I hope this comprehensive guide has been of great assistance to you. If you found this content helpful, please don't hesitate to show support by liking, comment, and subscribing and using our affiliate links. Remember to turn on that notification bell, and good luck.